some mustard seed in this guy. Okay. I think we're good there, and we will just plop that in the middle of that. Let me wash my hands quick. I'm going to get rid of this guy. And this is not cold. I've been letting this sit out, and I think that that's going to help us later. So let's just pour all that bad boy in there. I'm going to fill it up about. Let's let the fizz. I swear I didn't drink any. Let's do like so. Let's keep going a little bit. All right, I think that's okay. And let's get about a cup of water here and see how that does us. Maybe a little bit more. So we're going to reduce this once we get it all cooked. So let's get that aside for a second. And we're going to add some more deeper flavors, because if we just cooked it in Dr. Pepper, I think it'd be really, really sweet. So we've got some Worcestershire sauce. And let's split that. And a quarter of a cup. There we go. And some Dijon mustard. And some of that. I'll do like a tablespoon. Oh, come on. There we go. Right. And let's just kind of dissolve in all of that. All right, so let's go that, and we'll just pour all of that around, get it all out of there, and mix that a little bit. So there we go. And that's going to be, let's just taste that. Oh yeah, that's good. That's going to taste good. And so we're going to put this in the oven just like so. We're going to cover that. And so what I've got here is a pound of carrots, mini baby carrots. This is about the same weight of small red potatoes that was the brisket was, so about 2 pounds, and a decent sized red onion. So we're going to get these ready to put into the pan in about 2.5 hours. So I'll be back in a bit. And it's not gonna, well, it's gotta come back up. Well, we'll put the rest of our carrots in there and see how that works. This is our big experiment. So, and we will put that back in the oven and see how we do. So for at least another hour. So yeah, it's 7:30. So yeah, I guess I'm having tacos for dinner. But that's okay, because it will be better tomorrow anyway. And it's bubbling in there. You can see it bubbling. So let's test our veggies and see how they do. Let's just take one out and see how it does. It's just kind of pulling apart. That's what we want. That's good on there. Let's grab a baked potato here and see how we do. We're just going to let that rest. Oh yeah, see, that's what we want, where you can just tear it apart. We do this. Try not to make a mess, but I might. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, we'll get all those mustard seeds out of there. All right. So you can see the lines are going this way. So we're gonna cut that way, and we're gonna cut up. So, oh God, that looks good. Oh, I'm so pleased with myself. Yay. Oh, it smells really good too now that we're cutting it. We'll just get this all sliced up and, oh, look, I better eat that piece right there. Oh my God. Yum.
The next day.
So this has been going for about 45 minutes now, so you can see how much of the spoon it's covering. So you can see that line there. So I think we're okay. I don't want to do it too much. And call this done. Yay.